Hello everyone, this is Milkbeer and welcome to today's English class. In our previous class, we read chapter number 4, page number 40. In today's class, we are going to read the remaining part of this chapter. So let's open page number 41 of your book. In my previous lecture, we read about giant pandas. We read what are giant pandas, what do pandas look like, how big are giant pandas, how do pandas move. In today's class, we are going to read page number 41, section 2. What do pandas eat? In the wild, pandas only eat bamboo. What does pandas eat? They eat only bamboo. Pandas have to eat a lot of food to stay healthy. They eat 10-20 kilograms of bamboo every day. How much bamboo they eat every day? About 10 to 20 kilograms. There are very few bamboo forests left today, so many wild pandas are short of food. Soon, we may find that there are no pandas left in the world. As we know that human beings are cutting forests day by day, due to deforestation, there are very less bamboo forests left in the world, and it is creating a lot of problem for pandas. They are not getting enough food. And soon a time will come when there will be no pandas left in this world. In zoos and in other centers where they are taken care of, pandas eat bamboo, rice cereal, carrots, apples and sweet potatoes. The pandas' front paws are not like the paws of other animals. They have a thumb. They use their paws to hold their food, bamboo shoots and leaves. Nowadays, very few pandas are left, and those pandas are kept in zoos and other wildlife centers. And what they eat there? They eat bamboo, rice cereal, carrots, apples and sweet potatoes. And the front paws of pandas are not like other animals. Their paws are something different from other animals. They have a thumb also, and they use their paws to hold their food. Next is, how long do pandas live? Here we will talk about the age of pandas. Giant pandas live for about 35 years. So what is the approximate age of pandas? They live for 35 years. Sometimes they live longer in captivity than in the wild. What sounds do pandas make? Pandas mostly keep silent. They bleat when they communicate in a friendly manner. They bark to scare away an enemy. When they are in pain, they squeal. It means that pandas most of the time they remain silent. But they bleat when they communicate in a friendly manner. Bleat means they give a sound like a sheep when they want to communicate in a friendly manner. They bark to scare away an enemy. But when they are in a pain, they squeal. Squeal means long sound. Who are the pandas' enemies? Here we will talk about which is the biggest enemy of the pandas. A giant panda has very few natural enemies. One of them is the snow leopard. It can catch a baby panda that has moved away from its mother. Sometimes a hungry eagle may snatch a baby panda that has been left in a tree. People hunt pandas for their fur. People also cut down the bamboo forests they live in. So pandas have no place to live and wander into nearby villages in search of food. So, in short, snow leopard, hungry eagle, and the human beings are the biggest enemies of the pandas because human beings are hunting pandas for their fur. And this is the reason why only 1,000 giant pandas are left in this world. So this is all about chapter number 4, the giant panda. So kids, I hope this chapter is now clear to you. Time for homework. In the homework part, you have to read page number 41 and then mark the difficult words and write at least 7 difficult words from this page also. Earlier you have written 7 difficult words from page number 40. Now you will write 7 difficult words from page number 41. It means total 14 difficult words from this chapter you will write in your notebook. And you will also write word meanings of this chapter in your notebook. How you will write the word meanings of this chapter? I am going to attach one worksheet with this video. It will give you idea how to go for word meanings. So that's all for today's class. I will get back to you with another class very soon. Till then, take care, bye bye, and have a nice day.